All right, guys, so I've got some cuttings that I have been heading in the water for a while, and it looks like they finally got some roots. Thought I only had 3 tonight, but I've actually got 5, so that's a nice little surprise. So as you can see, got my little helper here, and she's getting a little antsy, so I may have to let her back inside, but we're gonna give this a try. Okay, so I've got my 5 pots, and here I have my cuttings. You can see those nice roots there. So they are ready to be potted. A couple different varieties of ficus here. Got some Golden Gate and a Variegated Ficus. And I've got my soil. All right, so let's get to it. All right, got my pots. Just make a little hole for the cutting. All right. First one up for grabs tonight is the Variegated Ficus here. And we've got ourselves another variegated. You can see the variegation isn't too strong yet, but now that they're off the windowsill and actually in some more direct light, the whites, the variegation should really start popping. Okay, so here we've got a Tiger Bark Ficus. I really like these because they'll put down aerial roots in high humidity environments. And then one of the last ones here is actually a Pixie Bougainvillea. The pixies are cool because the leaves are a little smaller. Same vibrant flowers, but no thorns. Look at that. Actually miscounted, got another variegated ficus. So hold on while I get another pot. Okay, I've got my 6th pot for the, I guess the surprise cutting. And we'll put some dirt in it. All right. Here we go. You can see this guy's pretty flimsy. Roots haven't had a chance to grab a hold of the soil because I just put it in there. So, we'll keep it here in the greenhouse for at least 2 weeks, give those roots a chance to really grab a hold, and then we can put it somewhere if we really want to. Okay, we've got our brand new 3 ficus cuttings here, potted with their other more established cuttings. And again, these all came off of this tree. So some of these could actually stand for a light pruning now, which would actually give us some more cuttings to try and take root of. And then down here's our 2 tiger barks that we just potted with all its other siblings, so to speak. And then we've got our Pixie Bougainvillea right here. So hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you again.